my beautiful people, welcome back to alazaesbeauty. Now today we're going to talk about this new brand called Beekman. It says 1802, but it was actually founded in 2008 by two gentlemen. Actually, one, his name is Josh Kilmer Purcell. He was actually the vice president of healthy living for Martha Stewart, which is pretty cool. And then the other one, his name is Brent Ridge, which he's a physician, I believe, even till this day. And together they are a couple. I believe they just recently tied the knot, so congratulations. And I just want to talk about, because everything is cruelty free, paraben free, sulfate free, like pretty much as close as clean skincare you could think of. So I'm gonna put the box right over here for now, but I will show you the products. Basically, this is your exfoliating cleanser, which is really nice right here. And then we got the serum, which is gonna be the milk drops. I love their design. To be honest, it is super cool. I love it. It is super neat, and it has, it's like nice, clean cut, simple. Definitely love that, which is really nice. And then you're gonna have the moisturizer. Just, I personally, I'm really big about packaging. So when I see packaging done like a good, nice, right way, I love it. Love it. So there it goes for the packaging. So obviously I'm gonna use them so you can see. I'm gonna demonstrate how you use them. So I have used the cleanser, but I'll be honest, I think because it's just so clean about the ingredients in here that for me, I don't feel the cleanliness, but it does clean. I'm gonna tell you this, it does clean, and it takes off makeup really good. But I'm gonna show you how it looks. You have the pump just like so right there, and then what you're gonna do, you're actually gonna pump just maybe once, a little squirt. To me, it's funny because when you feel it, it feels like a primer, which is so funny. It feels like a primer. It feels like a, it's hard to explain how it feels, but obviously you're gonna do it on dry skin. 1 or 2 pumps, you're gonna rub it, and basically you're exfoliating your skin, and then you're gonna wash it off, put a little bit of water, wash it, you're gonna get that little milky substance, all that good stuff. So I'll leave that for now. But then the next step you want to do definitely is gonna be putting on the serum. Serum's over here. So the serum I love. Oh my goodness, I love just the design itself. I definitely love. So you got the serum right there, and then I'm gonna put it on this hand. You can see a little bit of it, and honestly, it doesn't really have a smell, which I definitely like. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on my hands because I'm definitely gonna put it on my skin. Put it right there. I love, honestly, the way this feels and goes on my skin. Definitely love that. Like, I could definitely feel the hydration. I definitely love that. So, alright, so we get our serum going. And obviously, don't forget the neck. You definitely don't want to forget the neck. Let's not neglect the neck. But you're going to apply it like so. And honestly, your skin is going to just soak that up, which is really nice. So you're not going to feel like a sticky texture. No stickiness at all. You're going to feel that nice hydration, nice smooth. I definitely love it. I'll be honest. I was very impressed with this. I definitely highly recommend this one. Definitely. Alright, so the next one is going to be your moisturizer. And I love the creation of this. It is so cute. Basically, you're just going to press down like so. It's going to be already on top. And then you're going to apply it. And I love that it's thick, but not crazy thick where you cannot like spread it all over. But I just love the way these two feel together. I definitely love it. It definitely gives you the hydration you need. It doesn't break me out. It doesn't clog my pores. And my skin is very sensitive and is oily. And I'm telling you, oh my god, this is just like, it's hard to explain the feeling, the texture, the way it leaves my skin. I love it. I highly definitely recommend it. And honestly, it's a little bit in the mid-range. It's not really high in price, and it's not like crazy. You know, I'm not gonna say cheap because I wouldn't say cheap. I would say it's affordable in a good, decent price range compared to different skincare brands out there. Yes, it's definitely affordable, and it will last you for a while. Trust me, because a little bit goes a long way. But the way it makes your skin feel, and it's nice and smooth, and it's very natural, especially for those who have really sensitive skin or is allergic to a lot of products. I definitely recommend this for you. It feels really nice. and it had, like I said, it hasn't clogged my pores, hasn't broken me out, which I definitely like. Even my teenage daughter likes it, so that speaks volumes, because you know how these kids are nowadays. So, but definitely recommend. So let me bring all three products back up, and I will definitely link the prices below so you see the prices. But these are the ones I have, and I'll be honest, I definitely recommend all of them. They are really nice, and I'm not getting paid for this to, you know, make a review about it. I personally just got these, and I like it. It is really nice. I like it. I definitely purchased it obviously at Ulta Beauty. They're the ones that carry it now, so definitely anytime you go to Ulta, definitely check it out. They do have like a travel like starter kit, so definitely if you don't want to splurge too much on each one, get the, you know, travel size and see how you like them first. But I'm telling you, you're definitely gonna love it. All right, my beautiful people. Well, I just want to show you a little bit of the skincare because I was like, I have to do a video about this one. Definitely love it. High quality, natural, anything you could think of. But I definitely want to say, don't forget, you're beautiful no matter what. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.